Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we are going to discuss about fractions. You all know about fractions, but do you ever think that why we use fraction? We have our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So then why we use fraction? So students, suppose this is one whole apple, okay, and this is second whole apple. Now there are two whole apples, okay, but what I'll say, if apple is more than one but less than two, means in between these two apples, then how I can express that? Students, then we use fractions. That number we write in the form of fractions. Okay, so where we use fraction? When we cannot express our number in whole, more than one but less than two. So similarly, you can take between any two numbers. Fraction can be between any two whole numbers in actual. Okay, and you all are aware with equivalent fraction term. Now what are equivalent fractions? When two unlike fractions means which have different denominators. Any two fractions which have different denominators, if there are two unlike fractions but their values are same, then those fractions are said to be equivalent fraction. It is very clear from its name, equivalent. Equi means equal, valent means value. So the two fractions which are unlike but their values are same, those are called equivalent fractions. So today I'm going to give you hands-on experience on equivalent fraction. So today we will see how it happens in actual. Okay, so let's start. So students, now we will see how two unlike fractions can be equivalent fractions. Okay, suppose this is one whole apple and I divide it into two equal parts. Now this one apple has two equal parts. Okay, and now I'll take second apple and I will cut this apple, or I will divide this apple into four equal parts. Okay, so I will divide this apple into four equal parts. Now this apple has two equal parts. Okay, so if I give this one part to any student A, okay, suppose this is A student and I have given this one part to A. So what fraction of apple A has now? 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. So, but here I am giving 2 parts out of 4 to B student. Okay, I am giving 2 parts out of 4 parts. Okay, total number of parts are 4 and I am giving 2 parts out of 4. It means B has 2/4 fraction of apple. Now students, if I asked you that who has more fraction of apple, A or B? So many students will give answer that B has more apple. because they are focusing on the parts. B has 2 parts and A has only 1 part. But बच्चे, it's not like that. Okay, so A and B both have same fraction of apple. Okay, the difference is only in parts. It has 2 parts and this apple has 4 parts. Okay, they are looking unlike. Here it is 1 by 2 and here it is 2 by 4. Means both are unlike fractions because both have different denominators. It has 2 as denominator, it has 4 as denominator. So A and B both are unlike fractions, but their values are same. You can see from here. See, if we join this apple, both apples are same. Okay, so it depends upon the number of parts. So A and B both are equivalent fractions. Okay, so it means 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. Both are unlike fractions, but they have same value. They have equal value. If we increase the number of parts of this fraction, we will get the same. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.